We are on 23. Simplified expression. Let me fix this line up. What was it? Natural log of e squared. So natural log means there's a little invisible base e right here. So this means like e to the what equals e squared. It's e to the what, e to the what equals e squared. So when the base and the number are the same, and the exponent's just going to go right there. Anyway. E. Same thing on B, so e to the what equals e cubed. 3. Are you sniffing? How's you? So C is e to the what equals 1 over e. Huh? Negative 1. Negative 1 exponent moves it to the denominator. D would be read as e to the what equals square root of e. What's square root as an exponent? As a 1/2. So it's e to the 1/2 equals square root of e. Number 25. E to the what equals e to the x. X. B would be like, oh, I forgot about these, dang it. I was going to reset my mind. The exponent is like e to the what equals x. And this is saying e to the what? I don't know how to explain this very well. So like if you said this was equal to like another variable, like say a, just the natural log part. If the natural log of x equals a, then this would equal e to the a. And e to the a is supposed to equal x. I don't know how to explain this very well, but basically the exponent and the natural log kind of cancel each other out, and it's just x again. Never knew how to make those simple. Yeah, it's kind of a weird question anyway. So on C, in the exponent we have a little 2.
Is it x squared?
Yes, so that 2 can move up. This is something we learned yesterday as an exponent, right? On the e, or on the x, I mean. There's an x right there. So last problem there was just an x without the 2. This time there's like an x squared right there. So it's just going to be x squared. Oh, for D? Yeah, so on D, the negative in front of the natural log can move up as a -1 on the exponent. So it's x to the -1 or 1 over x. Okay, 27 is, it's really the same thing. The difference is that this time the bases are 10. The base is 10 here, the base of the common log is 10. But it's going to follow the same principle. The base and the log thing, they kind of cancel each other out in power. This is 6. So it's just going to be 6. I don't know why I wrote that. 27b. So on the b, the 2 in front of the log can move up as an exponent. So 6 squared becomes what? 36. On C, I'm going to write this one down. 10 to the third plus log of 4. Okay, well, you can kind of separate these. 10 to the, this is the same thing as 10 to the third times 10 to the log of 4. Because remember, when you multiply the same base, you add their exponents. What is 10 to the third? 1,000. And this is like what we were doing on the other problems. The 10 and the log base 10, they kind of cancel out. So it's just going to be a 4 over here. So it's 4,000. Since those are numbers, you could kind of cheat and just use your calculator, I guess. I guess all what's the 27 is numbers, aren't they? E cubed plus natural log of 4. Alright, kind of the same thing. So this is equivalent to e cubed times e to the natural log of 4. E cubed is a mess. Remember, e is like kind of like pi. It's about 2.72, but it's just a mess. E to the natural log of 4, these kind of cancel each other out, so it's just a 4. So I'm thinking the book probably just left this as e cubed, and they changed that to a 4. So 4 e cubed. They don't like the messy decimals because you have to round them off. All right, 29. We're getting there. We're getting there. Log y equals 2 log of x. Okay, so on this section, the rule is if you have log of, let me just make a real quick example. If you had like log of A equals log of B, then A and B would have to be equal, right? Because it's like 10 to the something equals A, 10 to the something equals B. Anyway, for these to be equal, A and B would have to be equal. So what we're going to do is change these equations so that it just says log of something equals log of something. So log of y would equal log of x squared. So once you get it like that, you just have y would have to equal x squared. Okay, b, log y equals 3 log x plus log 5. Okay, so we want to make it look kind of like this. So how can we simplify this right side of the equation? What can I do with this 3? Move it up. Okay, when we add logs, maybe I should have reviewed that part. You multiply it together. So we have an x cubed times 5. So this will be log of 5x cubed on that side. On this side, it's log of y. So in this case, y must equal 5x cubed. Alright, 31a, here we go, 34. Log y equals negative log of x. Okay, so we kind of already did this once today. What happens to this negative in front? It's like a -1, so it can move, right, to an exponent up here. Yeah, screwed up there. So y would equal x to the -1, or the way the book would put it is y would equal 1 over x. Alright, and then on B, I forgot about B there. It says log y equals 2 log x plus log 2. Kind of like 29b. Okay, what's going to happen to this 2 in front? Exponent. So it's log of x squared plus log of 2. When we're adding logs together, what do we do with the numbers? Multiply. Right, so it'll be log of 2x squared over here. So log of y. Therefore, y must equal 2x squared. All right. Log y equals 1.2x minus 1. Okay, well, on this one, let me see here. What's the invisible base right here? 10. So this would be like 10 to the 1.2x minus 1 equals y. David, you remember you didn't watch that video, did you? You just fast forward to the Lydia part. Do you remember the ACB thing? Okay, so it's this to the this equals y. That was the order. Okay. That was kind of, you were here for that assignment. That was yesterday. So that's what I just did. I did 10 to the this equals y. They did change this a little bit, but I don't think they really made it any simpler though. That's okay. We could, this is pretty much the answer anyway. So yeah, this 34 is like this one. These two are kind of different. So on this one, let's do the ACB thing. What comes first?
E.
E to the what?
1.
that mess
equals
equals y. Or you can put it up in front also. What's your dog? Sorry. What's your dog's name? Thor. It's an ironic name. R.I.P.
I didn't know.
Mom's dog.
cat.
Steve's dog.
Actually, it throws up like 6 times a day.
And your mom married him anyway,
This year.
despite Thor.
My mom hates that dog.
Was it your mom's idea then?